If the Facebook application icon is missing from the home screen or the apps screen of your Samsung phone, then let us see what to do. Now, before reinstalling the Facebook app, you need to check if the Facebook application is still present in your phone or not. Tap on this box here and search for Facebook application. Now you can see there is Facebook application icon showing in my phone. That means the application is not deleted, but the icon is hidden from the home screen and the apps screen. So what you need to do is you need to tap and hold on this Facebook application icon and then select this option locate app. Now you will go to this screen. On the top you can see hidden apps, and inside this one you can see some of the icons. That means all of these icons are hidden from the screen of your phone. If you want to unhide them, then what you do is tap on this minus icon here to remove the icon from this hidden apps list and then select apply. After that, close this window, go to the apps screen, and you will find the hidden app at the end of the screen. So in this way you can bring back the hidden Facebook app icon in your Samsung phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.